Hello viewers, this is Arvapalli from Excel VBA Macros Buddy YouTube channel. Uh, Please subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends if you think it is a useful video. Please comment on this video which type of videos you want to view, and then you can activate my bell icon. You will receive a notifications when I will upload my new video. Thank you guys to subscribe my channel. um, Today I want to share my knowledge on how to hide open Excel workbooks. Really friends, we are open multiple Excel workbooks in our daily life, work on simultaneously, but we are not close every time and reopen. That is a headache. So you can simply hide the not which are not working of files. Then you want to open or view that hide files, you can just simply unhide the workbooks. Friends, we know most of the people how to hide and unhide the worksheets, but I think most of the people doesn't know how to hide workbook which are open. So this is a simple technique. I will share you very soon. So if you doesn't know how to hide unhide worksheets, just I introduce this time. Just we have 4 worksheets, right? Just you can click on which one you want to hide the worksheet. Just right click and hide. The worksheet will be hide. Try again, hide, and then hide. All 3 worksheets are hide. If you want to see the which are hide worksheets, just you can do right click on the active worksheet. We will see the unhide option. Just click one more unhide option, dialog box will appear. This is the list of all hide worksheets. Just you can select which one you want to unhide. Click OK. So simultaneously you do the, if you want multiple worksheets you want to open, just click, select, and OK. Click, right click, and unhide will open one dialog box, list of unhide sheets. You can select or choose and select, then click on it, OK button. It will all appear on the workbook. This is the hide and unhide worksheets in the workbook. So the same option available for workbooks also. I opened 4 workbooks right now. Book 1, book 2, book 3, and one is a test one, right? So you can select the which one you want to hide the workbook. Presently I am working on this, but I want to hide the workbook 1. You can choose it and just go to the view tab. There are many sections, workbook views, and show, the zoom, and window. So there is one option from window group, hide. Just hide. You put the cursor over there, it will appear hide window. Click on this. The book one workbook, the book one will be disappear. It will be hide. So you can see the group of Excel workbooks. So we are not able to see the book one, right? Try again book 2 also. I am not using right now. So I want to hide this workbook. Just click it and activate. Then go to the view tab, and You click on hide button. You click on hide option. It will be hide and go to one more. I don't want to use this third book 3 also. So same, go to the view menu and we will appear hide and unhide options. Hide this one. Just now I am able to see only one workbook. Only one workbook. So there are no multiple workbooks, right? So I complete after my completion of work this file. So I want to open other one. So then go to the same what we did previously. Go to the view menu and there is unhide option. Click on unhide option. You will get the one window, the list of hide workbooks available in this list. So we are hide the 3 workbooks. Which one you want to work, you can just click on choose and click on OK. So workbook 2 able to activate right now. See, previously we able to see only one workbook. Now we enable unhide the book 2. So that's the reason we able to see this workbook. So once you complete this work, then hide or unhide you as per your interest. So you want to work on a different hide file, you can go to the view menu and select the unhide option. Open the workbook 3. I want to work on some book 3. Click on OK. So book 3 also we able to see now. So see, cursor move to the Excel icon. There are 3 open workbooks right now. Okay. So this is the way to hide and unhide the open workbooks. Yeah, this option will be very helpful who will work on multiple files. Try and use, you know that benefit of working on multiple files, it is confusion. There is a create some confusion, right? So one more option finally I want to share you, that is a bonus tip for this video. So if we open a multiple tabs in Windows Explorer, Internet Explorer, a Word file, a text file, so you open multiple types of files and folders on daily life. Just you want to move one, you want to switch one Excel file to another Excel file. So that time you don't use Alt tab. Alt tab, it is select the multiple types of folders and Internet Explorer files and Excel files. It is rotating. So you can use Control tab. Control tab is a very quick switch to the Excel to Excel. So right now we are active on Excel window, right? So we'll move only the Excel file switching. See, I'm pressing Control tab. So move to one by one. So which one do you want to work on book 3? You can simply work on it. Otherwise, you can switch until your favorite file. Thank you, friends, viewing this video. So please subscribe, share, comment, and activate a bell icon to get more videos. Please encourage me. Thank you so much.